Hello Taurus, you are tuned into Ruhani Guidance and this is your monthly love prediction for September 2020. Please take whatever resonates and leave the rest. For personalized readings, please reach to me. My email is given in the description box below. Looking at your monthly energies, we have divided the reading into three parts. One is below 21, between 21 to 28 and 28 and above. But before I start the reading, I would like to request you to please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Looking into your readings, Taurus, you come out as King of Swords. You may not be mentally involved in a relationship. You are okay with or without them, and if they are there, it's fine. If they're not there, that's okay too. On the other hand, this person you're dealing with looks at traditional gender roles in a relationship and they don't find it worth pursuing if there are no gender roles defined in the relationship. By the end of the month, I see that you both are taking a break from each other, taking some time out to form a game plan, and also some time to breathe. I think there's a lot been going on in your life and you just want some time to breathe, some time to relax and form your own game plan. An advice for you is forgiving and learning. As you release and heal the past, you experience more love in the present moments. Taurus, leave it. Leave your past in the past. Move ahead. Compromise. Compromise so that you can find happiness again. Taurus, between the age of 21 to 28, 5 of Cups, you thought that this relationship would last into a love of lifetime, but you don't see it going anywhere and you're really, really annoyed. You're really, really hurt, Taurus. On the other hand, this person has a strong sexual desire towards you. Make sure it's not only about that and proceed with caution. By the end of the month, I see that you feel this relationship has a lot of drama. It requires a lot of effort and you might just take a break. You might also move towards someone else in your life because we have an advice called express your love. Go ahead and make that romantic gesture. And there's something better. If it's not this, you have something better coming up for you, Taurus. Do not worry. Taurus, about the age of 28, King of Pentacles, you want someone who can provide for you. You want someone who can cater to all your needs and demands in this relationship. The other person might find this to be a lot of drama, a lot of conflict, and I think by the end of the month, again, you might want some solace. The other person might want some solace and you just want some time to breathe out. Taurans, overall, I see a lot of solitude in terms of your romantic life, in terms of your love life, when it comes to your relationships. And and I think a time to understand yourself, a time to discover yourself. I think this is more of a time where you want to retreat. You are getting a lot of offers of love, but you are really, really, you're just really so frustrated with all the work that you have to do. Maybe your work life is not really up to the mark and you don't have time for love this month. Honestly discuss your feelings with each other, heart-to-heart conversations, and perfect timing. Perfect timing to take a break, Taurians. Perfect timing to take a break. Perfect timing to sit back and relax. And this phase will get over. Just give it a few days. Give it this month. You are definitely not accepting any cup of love. And you have suppression. A lot of suppression, a lot of self-recovery time is required for you, Taurians. So if this resonates with you, please write to me in the comment section below. And until I do the next reading, stay home, stay safe, and stay tuned to Ruhani Guidance.